There's a three-digit number you never signed up for. You've never seen it being calculated, but it's been following you for years. It decides if you get the apartment, the car, the house, sometimes even the job. And here's the strange part. Almost nobody knows how it actually works. By the end of this, you'll know the five things that move it and the one popular tip that's quietly costing you money. It's your credit score, a number between 300 and 850. 90% of big lenders use it. Think of it as a trust rating, how likely you are to pay money back. The average American sits around 715. The higher you climb, the more doors open, and the cheaper everything gets. And that word, cheaper, is where it gets real. Picture two people, same house, same loan, same paycheck. The only difference is the number. On one typical 30-year mortgage, the top score pays about $60,000 less in interest than the bottom one. Same house, 60 grand. And over a lifetime of loans, a weak score can cost you around $180,000 more than a strong one. Same person, different number. So, how is it built? Five ingredients. 1. Paying on time, 35%. This is the big one. 2. How much of your credit you're using, 30%. Keep your cards under 30% of the limit. Under 10 is even better. 3. How long you've had credit, 15%. So don't close your oldest card. 4. Your mix of credit types, 10%. 5. How much new credit you just opened, 10%. So don't apply for 5 cards in 1 week. Now the myth. You've heard you need to carry a balance to build credit. You don't. FICO says it plainly. Paying in full is better. Carrying a balance doesn't help your score. It just hands the bank interest. And checking your own score, that never hurts it. But one payment 30 days late, that can drop you over 100 points. Want it to climb? Pay down your cards. Lower usage can show up in 30 to 60 days. Pay every bill on time, automatically. Keep old accounts open. And pull your free report and dispute any errors. Because sometimes the number is wrong, and it's wrong against you. Here's what nobody tells you. This number isn't a grade on who you are. It's a habit tracker, and habits change. This is education, not financial advice, but you now understand it better than most adults. If they never taught you this in school, that's the whole point of this channel. Subscribe to 3-Minute Money School for one money lesson every week. And next time, we're breaking down the free money almost everyone leaves on the table. See you there.